It was Sasha's turn to get her John on. But before Dimitri could get in the car,
God damn, what the fuck?
the freakiest rainstorm in Moscow's history came down hard on the abusive Pimp.
Hold on, nigga. You're not finna be fooling me with this stupid shit now. Why the fuck why they wanna be raining fucking stones or bricks or some shit? Where the fuck this come from? Hey man, who the fuck making these productions, nigga? Fuck out of here, nigga.